The first fundamental maxim for designing your destiny is based on the science of mind power, which says that you create it by your thoughts, by your desires, your likes and dislikes. The essence of the science of mind power is you get what you think about or focus upon, whether you want it or you don't want it. It means if you are constantly thinking about something, that thing is bound to happen. Your focus is bound to manifest. For example, if you are constantly worrying that you might meet an accident on the road, constantly worrying that you may meet an accident on the road, no power of this planet can stop you from meeting an accident. If you are constantly worried about the burden of debt on your head and shoulders, while eating, while walking, while sitting, while going to bed, every moment you are thinking about the burden of debt on your head, rest assured, whatever you may try to do, but your burden of debt will continue to grow. If you want to keep away the burden of debt, you will have to stop thinking about the debt. You will have to start thinking about getting money. Likewise, if you are always worried that your beloved may fall in love with somebody else, then your fear of your beloved falling in love with somebody else is bound to happen in reality. By your constant thinking, by your constant focus, you are inviting the specific event to happen at the earliest in your life. So please do take care of the thoughts you think and the images you hold in your mind, because they are going to manifest in your life. Therefore, the science of mind power says, focus on what you want to achieve, never focus what you do not want to achieve. In other words, focus on what should happen, never focus on what should not happen. In this world, majority of the people are always thinking about what should not happen in their lives. And that is why majority of the people on this earth achieve what they do not want to achieve in their lives. Secondly, emotions also play a vital role in manifestation. In fact, emotions are energy in motion, and basically they play a powerful role in transforming your thoughts and dreams into reality. Combining the power of emotions with the power of thoughts leads to alignment with the source of creation, and this synchronization is bound to manifest without any exceptions to it. Hence, I urge you all to take care of the thoughts you think and the emotions you feel, because they are bound to manifest into reality. Hence, thinking big and dreaming big also happens. In view of these facts, thinking big and dreaming big are the most important dimensions for extraordinary achievements in life. And so, always remember, whatever you think consciously and feel passionately is bound to transform into reality.